Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So at the moment, Bitcoin is just, it had a little bit of a pullback. The reason that is, this was, already, very obvious that we had this measurement for Bitcoin, and you can see that we had the 20 moving average that was coming in as a resistance. We had the 0.618 level that was coming in as a resistance, and I also told you that if you go in the daily time frame, we had this pattern over here that it was forming. Let me quickly see if I can draw it again. This pattern over here, okay, and this bearish head and shoulder pattern, and you can see that this was the resistance line. Okay, this was basically the left shoulder, this was the right shoulder. If we would have broken this, then things would have looked pretty amazing, I think, for Bitcoin. Okay, because this is where the 0.618 level was also sitting. So we had three major resistances coming in this area. So that's why you have this drastic sell-off that took place, okay, from 42,000 about 500 to all the way where it is now 39,370 60s. Okay, now we do have this support line for this higher low formation, and this is where the 0.786 is. So if you can, just respect this area and just bounce from here, because we still have 2 days left for the week to close. If the week closes, below, I would say not this line. Yeah, if it closes below this line, things can start looking a little bit dumpy, okay? But if you take this off, bring this Fibonacci level and just measure this move right over here. No, not over there. Okay, right over here actually. So you can see for this measurement from here till here, okay? You have the 0.618 sitting right at the where the price is right now. Okay, so if we break this 0.618 level for this measurement, obviously we are going to have a dump coming to the 36,312 levels. But if the week closes, like we have these wicks over here, okay? Exactly like that. If it wick down, then came back up, and the week closes above this, then things will start looking bullish again. It might start going up, okay? So if you go in the monthly time frame now, okay, you can see exactly where the 20 moving average is. 20 moving average is right below the price, okay? It's sitting at 38,521, and it's exactly where these candles were not able to close, okay? Let's right over here. Okay, so if you look at these candles over here, they didn't close below that price, okay, and that's where the 20 moving average is. So obviously, if the price comes and closes like that in the monthly, which we have 8 days left, okay, then that's bearish. Okay, we are gonna break the 20 moving average. We are gonna close a candle below these candles where they weren't able to close. So lower low is going to be formed. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. If it does close above it, then that's a good sign. Okay, so keep an eye on this candle formation in the monthly time frame. This can lead you the way. And if you go in the weekly time frame now and look at the RSI, you can see. Let me take this off. Yeah, you can see these previous runs, okay, in the RSI. Let me show you the RSI first so you can have a better understanding. It is taking a shape of a falling wedge, basically, okay, and it has these support levels that it's making for itself. So if you look at the RSI now, you can see this run over here, okay, where we had this, let's draw it. Okay, so you can see this support level, okay, in the RSI. This is where the pump happened, and then we came back, fell on the 20 moving average, and you can see where the support is. Okay, we got support in the RSI, and then we came. As soon as we broke the 20 moving average, you can see we had a crack in the support. Okay, we cracked the support, we came all the way down. Okay, so and where did we come down to? We came down to this support line that I've drawn. Okay, this support line for in the weekly time frame. Okay, now if we go back and look at this, you are creating something very similar over here as well. Okay, so if you draw this right over here, and then I don't know if this is going to be cracked, but in the weekly time frame, you can see we went up, we came down. Okay, support went up, came down. Okay, so now we did crack the weekly over here. Okay, but we haven't cracked this support level yet. So if the support level in the RSI gets cracked, obviously we're going to come down. But now we can come all the way down, but it's not guaranteed that you know in the monthly time frame. Okay, in the monthly time frame we can wick down and come right back in. Okay, because we still have 8 days and 8 hours left. Unless you don't see this candle close below 38,427, things are still bullish. Okay, so if you close below these candles, obviously you're going to be forming a lower low. Okay, and that's bearish in my viewpoint. And then probably if that happens, we are going to be might be creating, I'm not sure, but we might be creating something. Sorry, my mic went off. Something of this sort. Okay, if that happens, I'm not saying it will, but might be creating something of this sort of falling wedge in the price action. But again, anything can happen. But just keep an eye on this area of monthly closes. You need to close above 30,427 in my viewpoint, because if you don't, you're going to be breaking the 20 moving average and coming down. Okay. So keep an eye on that, and if you're liking this kind of content, guys, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.